What's up, YouTube? This is Izzy from Merp Essentials, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make chicken tenderloins in an Instant Pot. If y'all wondering why I'm wearing these sunglasses, it's because I'm looking really tired and I feel nasty. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so here we have about 4 pounds of chicken tenders. So the first thing I'm going to do is add some oil. I honestly don't measure out seasonings. I kind of just add them. So I can't really tell you how much I add, but that's how much oil I add. I don't add too much. I kind of just move everything around with my hands. Next, I add onion powder. And paprika. We love seasonings in this house, so I might add a little too much for your liking. And garlic powder. Then some salt. And I use pink Himalayan salt. So I'll just sprinkle some of that. That's good. Like I said, I just move everything with my hands, stir it around. You want to make sure that, well, all of your chicken is coated with seasoning. If it's not, add more. I think I might add some more. Garlic. Onion powder. Okay, so it looks fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to put it in the Instant Pot. So, let me flip this over. This is the Instant Pot I have. It's about a 6 quart, and I really love this thing because it helps me make my food pretty quickly. When you're making chicken in this, you wanna make sure that the trivet that comes with it sits in here. So you do that. And you have to make sure that you add at least 1 cup of water for the pressure cooker to work. So I'm gonna add this. 1 cup of water. Then I'm gonna add my chicken. Sorry guys, I'm really bad at holding this camera up. This is like my first time. Okay. Let's just lay them all on here flat. Try to lay them in here evenly as well. Okay. So now we got it in. So the next step, well actually let me wash my hands again. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So the next step is to add the lid. So this is what the lid looks like. Make sure that it closes correctly. This, right here it says sealing and venting, this little knob, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, that has to be facing towards the back. There we go. It clicked. Close it. Okay, so you need to make sure, right here where it says sealing and venting, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Yep, right. Yes, venting. You want to make sure it's set to sealing. Okay, and then you're gonna come up here at the front and choose poultry. Normally, when I cook my chicken, I like to do about at least 6 minutes per each pound of chicken. So I have 4 pounds of chicken. I think I'm gonna do 7 minutes per pound, so I'm gonna do 28 minutes. So you hit poultry, and then you click this plus button and go straight to 28. And then it's gonna turn on its own. Just gotta wait for it. There it goes. So then you're just gonna wait on it. Normally I allow it to just, you know, steam on its own over here, because I don't like to see all the steam fly out. I don't feel like having my fire alarm set off, so I just let it cook on its own. But yeah, we're gonna take a little break right now, and when my chicken is done, I will come back and show you how to do the next step. Okay guys, now I'm back. So as you can see, it is done cooking. I allowed it to vent on its own, but if you want to make sure that it's done venting, you can just push this little knob to the right and nothing's coming out, so it's done. Another way you can tell that it's done is if this goes down. I don't know what it's called, but this little silver thing that'll move down. So let's check to see what the chicken looks like. Yep, looks good to me. I think it's done. Okay, okay guys, so that's pretty much it. If there's anything else you'd like me to try to make, I definitely will. Just leave it in the comments, please. And also leave in the comments if you have any suggestions on how I can change my videos, what I can add, what I can remove, what I'm doing wrong. And please like and subscribe so I can keep making videos. Okay, well I'm done now. This is awkward. Bye.